Hello, so today I want to show you how to wash your face using LDC or to wash yourself for that matter. So this is a product that I've used for quite some times now and I've recommended to some people. It has helped me to clear my acne. I had a terrible acne, but as you can see the difference now. So the first thing you need is your face towel or something that you can use to wash your face. In this case, I'm going to use this as my face towel or something that I use to bath. Wait, so this is the product. The product is called LDC. Let me use the diluted one. You are supposed to use the diluted one. You're not supposed to use the concentrated one. So you dilute it. Then, so here we go. We use the face towel. Then first of all, you make it wet. Don't use it when it's dry. As you can see, it's dripping some water. So after making it wet, then you take your LDC, you put some drops of it, then scrub it a little bit on your hands for those who like foam. As for me, I also love foam, but it doesn't produce a lot of foam, but it has impact on your face or on your body. So you wash your face, be gentle with your face. You're not fighting. So you become gentle with your face. Just wash all parts of your face. Well, some people use LDC like oil. They take and they apply on their face, but this is not an oil. It's a soap. It's like just a cleaning detergent. So use it like a cleaning detergent. Make sure you wash your face or wash your body, then rinse. Then apply now oil on your face. So you're not supposed to just take it, then apply it on your face and then go your way. It's not an oil, it's a soap, a cleaning detergent, let me say, for that matter. Make sure you wash your face very well and ensure every part of your face is clean, or you feel it's clean. You feel that you've touched almost all corners of your face. And also remember that your neck is also part of your face. So make sure you also touch your neck, your ears, and every part of your skin. So when you are done and you feel that all parts of your face is clean, make sure that you rinse with water. You rinse with clean water. You rinse your face or you rinse the detergent before doing anything or before going out, before applying any oil, you rinse with water properly. And then there are those of us who have acne on the side of on their arms and at the back. So make sure that you wash also all the part that usually have acne, or just bath with the soap to be safe, or to ensure that you wash all parts of the body and ensure that your body is clean. Just bath with it. As for me, I bath with it, so I don't have to select parts to wash. When you're done washing, you dry your face, or let me say you wipe your face for it to at least be dry a little bit. You can't, because you can't apply oil on a very wet face. Please, after washing, don't go out on a dry face. Make sure you moisturize your face. Okay, we have moisturizer in our company, that is New Life. But if you don't have a moisturizer, you can choose a mild oil that you can apply on your face. Please don't go out on a dry face after using LDC, because when you use LDC strips off oil on the face. Especially for those of us who have oily face, you will strip, or you won't have oil, because LDC takes oil out of your face. So you have to moisturize your face. Don't go out on a dry face. So for this case, you can use coconut oil. If you don't have money to purchase moisturizer, you can use coconut oil or any oil that is mild. If you can't purchase coconut oil, you can use this one. But most of the time, I recommend coconut oil, because most people say that the other one, or the solid one, reacts on their face. So I'll use coconut oil. For instance, as for me, I started using coconut oil because the other time that I had acne, I had been using the other one. But it had no effect on my face. I still had acne. So when I started using LDC, someone recommended that I use a mild oil that I can apply on a baby. So I opted for coconut oil, and it worked so well, and it's still working so well on me. So here I applied coconut oil. You can see, how do I look? Amazing, right? Well, so these are the products. This is LDC. This is a concentrated one. So concentrated one goes at 500 Kenya shillings, and the diluted one goes at 200 Kenya shillings only. So for a start, you can start with the diluted one. Just contact me. Then if you want concentrated, is 500 Kenya shillings. This point to note, 500 for concentrated one, you will get like 4 of the diluted one. So if you do the math, the diluted one is the concentrated is more better than the diluted one. And also there is 1 liter. So 1 liter is 3,500. So the best option is 1 liter because you will go with it for like a year. So it's 3,500. And in the 1 liter, you will get the one for 516 of them. So 500 times 16, if you do the math, you get a lot. So 1 liter is better, but for a start, you can start with the one for 200. You can upgrade to the one for 500, but the best one is 1 liter for 3,500 Kenya shillings only. But you can come to me for the one for 500 Kenya shillings or the one for 200 Kenya shillings. If someone recommended you to watch this video, kindly get back to them. You'll get the product. If just landed on this video, then contact me.